Hey, welcome back to the print house, guys. I'm getting there. I'm getting close. Here's my powder coating setup. This is the Eastwood coating system set. The Eastwood powder coating oven. I don't know the exact dimensions offhand, but I'm going to say this is somewhere like 15, 16 inches and then maybe a foot tall. But this is the oven for powder coating made by Eastwood. It's basically a toaster oven that they brand. So, and I got the DIY powder coating system by Eastwood set. You got your box, typical, you know, for all you guys out there that are doing a DIY setup. And I don't have lights on it yet, and it's a little bit dark over here. But this is my booth. This is, I believe this is 2 foot tall, 2 foot wrapped around. There's edges. I got ground mount up here, so I'll have my hanging bar here, the fan, everything on top. And if I need to, I'll install another fan in the back. But for now, I'm going to leave that one, and it's on. Next thing I gotta do is just seal up here. It works. It seems like it's working well. So it's a Lexan booth. Let me turn this back off. It's a Lexan booth bent with aluminum framing to keep it nice and sturdy, and a regular box fan that sits on top with a filter that slides in and out. That's it. Fabricated this up, and I think it's a perfect size because I'm going to do a lot of custom RC parts and tumblers and stuff like that I'm going to laser. Anything you can laser, period. Powder coating is great for that. So basically the way it works is this is the coating system. Just you plug it in, you ground it, you hold your button when you're ready to spray, and then you spray. You got your nozzle spray gun, but at the same time you apply, push the button. So it's a pretty basic DIY setup. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a new addition to the print house. Like I said, I'll be doing a lot of powder coating parts, and within the next few days, I hope I definitely will have a video up by the weekend of some parts being coated. So, but it's a DIY setup. Like I said, it was fabricated with aluminum bottom. It's like a tray setup, and then the top with the mount. If you look up here, to the hanging bar. And I think it's going to work out great. So, with the Eastwood powder coating system. So, that's it. That's my quick video on my DIY setup for the powder coating. And as always, thanks for visiting my channel. Like, subscribe, hit that notification, and see you in the next one, guys.